Matt Garrett here, and I want to give you a quick look around inside ProductDyno so you can see why promoting this launch is going to be such a big payday for you as an affiliate. Remember, we're talking about big commissions with a high converting offer from a trusted brand and a done-for-you business opportunity that's going to make you a lot of money. You can bag up to $748.50 per customer. That means just a few sales could put 4 or even 5 figures into your pocket fast. This is a serious launch, one where top affiliates will be pulling in 5, 10, even 20k in commissions, and you should be one of them. Let's have a quick run through some of the highlights of what people get. After that, I'll tell you how you can get review access and how you can even get semi-exclusive or exclusive bonuses. Here we are in the dashboard under products, where members can create and sell unlimited memberships, courses, and digital products. As I scroll down, you can see that I've got quite a few in here. So let's open one up and have a look inside to see what you get. You have control over the domain and access, so you can use a custom domain or a subdomain under ProductDyno that you choose. The content designer is where you have total control over the look and feel of your digital course, and there are templates built in for that. I'll come back to that in a moment because we'll have a look at that in more detail. Emails are for delivery emails, transaction emails, things like that. Payment gateways, you can set this up with JVZoo, with Warrior Plus, with a whole bunch of other platforms for third-party sales, ClickBank, Thrivecart, etc. There are a lot of platforms, but you can also sell directly using ProductDyno with PayPal or Stripe, so you don't have to use a third-party system if you don't want to. Integrations, if we go into this, you can see it's for integrating your autoresponder as well as webinars, webhooks, files, and video hosting as well. So you've got control over all of that, and there is a massive list of autoresponders that you can integrate with, including the standard ones such as Aweber, GetResponse, MailVio, Campaign Refinery, ActiveCampaign, FunnelMates, and a whole bunch of other ones. Licensing, you can actually sell WordPress plugins and apps through this and let ProductDyno do the licensing for you. Members, obviously you have total control over the members for each individual product or for collections, which I'll come to in a moment. Pages, you can build out all sorts of pages within the system. When you click on create new page, there are a whole bunch of different templates built in, so you can just choose one of the templates, edit it to get it to look exactly how you want it to look, and once you've created one, you can go and clone that page to make further copies. Coupons obviously allows you to set up discount coupons, even 100% coupons, so you can actually make a product free for people by giving them a 100% coupon. You can choose the language, you can choose to enable search for your audience. You can also distribute your products and courses, which I'm going to come back to and demonstrate in a minute or two as well. Discussion, you can allow your audience to have meaningful conversations with each other, and then there's direct messages if you want them to message you directly. This can be a way of doing support within your product or collection as well. Progress tracker, we'll have a look at that in a moment, but there is a full LMS system within ProductDyno. So there's a progress tracker, there's quizzes, there's certificates, and there's also the word of mouth viral friend referral system as well, which I'll show you so you can see how that works. As well as products, we have the option for collections. This allows you to group products together into a collection, so you can build a complete funnel and let members see the other products that they didn't purchase to give them another chance to upgrade and make you more commissions. So here we are now inside a collection, and you can see there is a whole series of premium quality, high value training courses available. Some of these are going to be available as part of the 15 done for you courses in the done for you add-on. So these are high quality training courses, and you can see there's lots in here. Now these can be all available straight away, or you can set some of them so that they have to actually go and purchase them, or you can actually set them so that they're only available once someone has actually shared your link and got more leads into your system for you. Now that's done through the viral friend referral system that I mentioned earlier. Here's an example, and I've set this so that in order to get access to these extra true reports, they have to refer 3 people or 6 people, and obviously you can set this to however many you want, and you can have as many different courses or extra bonuses available to get people sharing the link, to get them opting into your offer, sending you traffic, making you sales, and building your list. And that is the Wombat system, the friend viral referral system that is built into ProductDyno to get you extra traffic. So I also mentioned the full LMS system with progress tracking and quizzes and certificates built in. Here we are in a course. You can see I've completed 12%. I'm on lesson 3. Let's mark this as completed. It now goes up up to 18%. This creates real engagement for members. It gives them a sense of achievement. It keeps them coming back to consume the content and get more out of the courses that you're selling and offering. So again, that's built into the system for you. Okay, so let's head back to the system itself and let's go into one of these products that I already have set up, and let's go into the content designer so I can show you how easy it is using AI as this human AI hybrid machine to create these new courses. I've already used AI to create the lesson plan for the whole course and to get it all laid out. All I'm going to do now is click on the little icon here for one of the lessons and say generate with AI. It's got the information for this lesson within the course, so I'm simply going to click on generate and let it go away and do its work. Now that took a few seconds to do, and we have the full lesson built for us by AI in moments. So click on add content, let it do its work, and that's now built it into the course, and I can go on to the next lesson, whichever one it is, click on generate with AI, click on generate, and again let it create the next lesson. So you can now create full-blown premium quality courses with AI in just minutes, going through using the AI to create your content for you. So let's close this down and actually head over to the AI Creator Suite and have a look at that. If we simply scroll up a bit and click on Open AI Tools, you can see we've got lots of options available for what AI can create for you. We've got the Ultimate Course Blueprint Designer, which was what I used to create those lesson plans that I showed you a moment ago, and we'll actually look at that in a second. You've also got Lesson Content Wizard for creating individual lessons, Sales Email Alchemist for creating emails, Magnetic Landing Page Architect to create your landing pages, opt-in pages, etc. Sales Video Scripts, social media content to get all your social media done for you, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, content that is specific to those platforms. Content Calendar Creator, Community Catalyst to help build a community and foster interaction, support and loyalty among your members, the Retention Renegade, and the Event Excellent option as well. So we've got lots of options there, all covered for you by the AI tool. If you want to create a new course, simply click on this option, fill in some basic information. So fairly simple stuff to give an outline of what you're looking for. So the course topic, in this case, sales page conversions, split testing for beginners, who your audience is, what your audience needs and preferences are, the format for the course, so 10-day getting started masterclass, and any industry trends and technologies. Click on generate, and I will pause the video because this will take about 30 to 45 seconds to get done, and I'll show you once it's completed. Once it's finished, simply click on check your content, and you can see that we have the full course outline created for us. And if we come back to the main page and scroll down, all we then need to do is click on create a product from the generated content, choose our template from any of the templates available, click on continue, and that's now created a new product in our products area that we can go into the content designer and start going through, clicking on those icons to fill out all the content in our new product. That's how quick and easy it is to create premium quality training courses within the AI creator in ProductDyno. Now let's head across to the agency area of the system, and this is where you have total control over all your sub accounts. You can manage multiple businesses under one login. You can create client and team accounts. You can license products and distribute content automatically, and you can manage your customers directly from here. You can manage your clients, you can transfer accounts to your clients if you want to, and you can edit whatever details for them that you need. Now earlier on back in products, we were looking within the product itself, and there was something called distribute. This is where you can actually push a full course or a product out to one of your sub accounts. All you need to do is click on distribute. Because we're pushing it to a sub account, all I need to do is choose one of my sub accounts from the drop down list, click on continue, click on confirm and proceed, and the duplication has now started. That course is going to be pushed out to that sub account, so that client or customer has a full copy of that course within their account. Now I'm going to head back to the agency sub account area again. I'm going to log into one of my customers' accounts, and you can see at the moment this account doesn't have any products in it. So what I'm going to do is use a one-click import link and import the Membership Accelerator course. I just click agree and continue. I choose my video hosting option, click on continue, click on confirm and proceed, and that will actually duplicate that full membership course into this account for me. Now the duplication is in process, so I'll give it a moment and we'll have a look at that. So I'm back in the account and I've gone to products. Here is the new Membership Accelerator course. If I bring up the content designer, you can see if I close down this bit, you can see the course has been imported. One click import. This really is a game changer for digital licensing and content distribution. With one click, buyers can duplicate entire products, memberships and collections and send them to sub accounts, clients or partners. This is why ProductDyno is the future of membership and digital product selling. As far as I know, nobody else can do it like that. As quick and easy, one click, import, export, job done. And remember that done for you bundle add-on of 15 premium membership courses. That's how quick and easy it is to import those into a new account, a sub account, a client's account, a customer's account, so that people can sell those themselves or use them as bonuses for high ticket offers. So that's a very quick look through some of the courses that are going to be added in that add-on offer for this launch. Now let's head back to the JV page, and at the top of the JV page, which is productdyno.com/JV, there's a link through to the JV doc. Go through to that and you'll see exactly how you can qualify for semi-exclusive or exclusive bonuses. And this is where you can get your links from as well. So you can request your affiliate links for the starter package, for the VIP Platinum for creators, and the VIP Platinum for list builders and affiliate marketers. So if we scroll down, you can see to get a semi-exclusive bonus, you need to be promoting the VIP Platinum offer, and to qualify you must commit to sending at least 3 emails during the launch and deliver a minimum of 100 unique clicks to the offer. If you meet that criteria, get in touch with me and request a custom bonus page tailored for your audience and we'll get set up. Spots for this are limited, so secure your custom bonus page with me early. There are also some exclusive bonuses for top JVs. If you're hosting a live webinar with me for the VIP Platinum offer, we'll work with you to customize exclusive bonuses tailored to your audience and webinar angle. So to schedule your live webinar and discuss bonus customization, contact me, Matt Garrett, and remember this is only available to top JVs. Secure your webinar slot as quickly as you can. And to get in touch with me, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the JV page, here are my details, my email address, my Skype, and my Facebook account, so you can get hold of me and get booked for a webinar or for your semi-exclusive bonuses as quickly as possible. And remember, this platinum offer is a $2,388 a year value, which people can lock in right now as part of this launch forever for under $1,000. So this is perfect urgency as an angle for affiliates to get people on board. With the VIP Platinum offer, you can earn up to $498.50 per sale. With the done for you add-on, you can earn another $249.50 per sale, and the AI Creator Suite gives you ongoing commissions. So right now, get onto the JV page, productdyno.com/JV, grab your affiliate links, check out the swipes and bonuses, get in touch with me to organize your webinar and lock in the dates for this incredible opportunity to crush it and pull in big commissions. Thanks very much for listening.